Welcome to Marrakech, one of the best places in the world that you must visit. With its vibrant Medinas, dramatic landscapes, and rich cultural heritage, it's easy to see why this Moroccan oasis continually entices travelers from around the globe. We have hand-picked our favorite insider experiences to showcase everything this mystical destination has to offer, from iconic landmarks and hidden gems to our tried-and-true tips. But that's not all. We're also excited to introduce you to our friends at AGD Travel. As one of Morocco's leading travel companies, AGD offers carefully curated itineraries with a highly personalized touch. With 12+ years of expertise, they're your go-to for the best drivers, expert guides, and personalized adventures. Picture this: they handle the details and you soak in the magic. Be sure to check out AGD Travel's website and drop them an email in advance. This ensures a tailored experience crafted just for you, meeting your unique travel aspirations. Spring in Marrakech runs from March through May. The weather during this time is absolutely perfect. Sunny skies and mild temperatures. The blooming flowers and blossoming trees make the city appear vibrant and alive. Crowds are manageable, and hotel prices are reasonable. Spring is a wonderful time to visit if you want to avoid the intense summer heat. Summer lasts from June through August. Now, while it does get very hot during the day, the dry heat is bearable as long as you seek shade and plenty of water. Hotel costs are at their lowest this time of year, as many locals escape to cooler climates. On the downside, it can be tiresome exploring the ornate Medinas in the heat of the day. Fall brings colors and cooler temperatures from September through November. Temperatures are perfect for sightseeing. Hotel rates rise slightly, but crowds have diminished after summer. Late October through November might see some rare rain showers. Winter invites chilly nights between December and February, though days remain sunny. It's high season for visitors seeking an escape from winter back home. Hotel costs are higher, and some attractions have reduced hours. But you'll experience the magical holiday atmosphere and decorations. So, whether you prefer the bloom of spring, the warmth of summer, the golden hues of autumn, or the crisp air of winter, Marrakech has something magical to offer year-round. Day 1. Start your Marrakech journey by landing at Menara Airport. Arrange a private transfer to your accommodation for a hassle-free arrival. Opt for a traditional riad in the heart of the Medina for an authentic experience. Riads are charming Moroccan houses with an interior garden or courtyard. Enjoy a traditional Moroccan breakfast with mint tea, pastries, and fresh fruit in the riad's courtyard. In the afternoon, dive into the labyrinthine streets of the Medina. Visit the iconic Jardin Majorelle, a botanical garden with vibrant blue buildings. Savor local cuisine at a hidden gem like Nomad or Le Jardin, offering a mix of traditional and modern Moroccan dishes. In the evening, as the sun sets, head to Jemaa El Fna Square. Experience the lively atmosphere with street performers, storytellers, and food stalls. Try local specialties like harira soup and grilled meats, and explore the nearby souks. From spices to handmade crafts, immerse yourself in the vibrant colors and scents of the market. Day 2. Begin your day with a visit to the Bahia Palace, an architectural masterpiece showcasing Moroccan design and gardens. Next, explore the Saadian Tombs, a hidden gem rediscovered in 1917, featuring stunning architecture and intricate tilework. In the afternoon, enjoy a traditional lunch at Ksar Es Saousan, a restaurant located in a restored palace with panoramic views of the city. Spend your afternoon at the Marrakech Museum, housed in the Dar Menebi Palace, displaying art and artifacts from Moroccan history. In the evening, take a stroll to the Koutoubia Mosque and its beautiful gardens. Capture the sunset against the backdrop of this impressive structure. After, opt for a dinner at a rooftop restaurant with views of the illuminated Medina. Day 3. Embark on a tour to the Atlas Mountains. Explore Berber villages, waterfalls, and enjoy breathtaking landscapes. Next, experience lunch at Richard Branson's Kasbah Tamadot, nestled in the Atlas Mountains. Enjoy gourmet cuisine with stunning views. In the evening, after your adventure, return to Marrakech for a relaxing evening. Consider a spa session in your riad or a hammam experience. Day 4. Begin your day with a visit to the Majorelle Garden, designed by Jacques Majorelle and later owned by Yves Saint Laurent. Explore the nearby Yves Saint Laurent Museum, showcasing the fashion icon's creations and contributions to the city. In the afternoon, indulge in lunch at La Mamounia, a luxurious hotel with beautiful gardens. Imagine yourself dining in a haven of elegance. Take a tour of Goueles, the modern district of Marrakech. Explore art galleries like David Bloch Gallery and Le 18. Day 5. Start your day with a cooking class. Learn to prepare traditional Moroccan dishes like tagine and couscous from the comfort of your riad. In afternoon, experience lunch at La Maison Arabe, renowned for its Moroccan cuisine. Savor the flavors of Marrakech in an elegant setting. In the evening, conclude your journey with a farewell dinner at a rooftop restaurant. Reflect on your adventures and savor the last moments in this enchanting city. Before we finish up our tour of magical Marrakech, I wanted to share some of the best tips you should definitely follow to make the most of your visit. Hire a local guide. Having an expert show you around the twisty alleys of the Medina and souks is priceless for both cultural insights and avoiding getting lost. I recommend AGD Travel for reputable guides. Visit Gemma El Fna Square at sunset. Witness the lively scene as the town comes alive with storytellers, musicians, vendors. It's a sensory feast you can't miss. Watch a live Nawa performance. The atmospheric blend of African rhythms, chants, and trances is best experienced at intimate venues in the Medina. Visit hammams for steamy rituals. Indulge in mint tea and street food stalls daily. You'll fully immerse in the culture. We hope you've enjoyed this immersive exploration of the city's rich culture, historical marvels, and culinary delights. From the vibrant Medina to the serene gardens and the majestic Atlas Mountains, Marrakech offers a tapestry of experiences that stay with you long after the journey concludes. Don't forget to put Marrakech on your travel wish list. AGD Travel wishes you a future visit filled with real-life discoveries.